सो गाइज वेलकम ब्याक टु माई च्यानल। आज चाहिँ हामी कर्निस घुम्न गइरहेका छौँ। यो चाहिँ दोहाको कर्निस रहेको छ, यो चाहिँ अरूको कर्निस होइन। र आज चाहिँ म यो सबै भिडियो चाहिँ यो मेरो नयाँ गोप्रो हिरो 7बाट गर्नेछु। र आशा छ म अब मेरो साथीहरूलाई भेट्छु त्यहाँ। अनि साथीहरूलाई भेटिसकेपछि चाहिँ हामी उता कर्निसतिर लाग्छौँ। ओके गाइज, we'll meet you in the cornice. So we are going to buy the mobile for Rahul Bhai. Rahul Bhai is leaving Qatar, so let's hope his rest of his journeys will be fine and he will be upgraded to assistant manager soon, and just he will call us as a demi safety party or safety party in his hotel. So now we are going to Ansar Gallery, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Ansar Gallery.
First here it goes, then Ansar.
Okay, let's go. So we went to Carrefour, but Rahul Bhai found all the mobiles were very cheap, so we are going for something expensive. So maybe he will buy the Samsung, the flip one. Rahul Bhai is very rich now because he has got all the closings from the company and he has almost 7 lakhs in his pocket. So maybe we will be looking something big phone. So now we are going for Ansar Gallery. Maybe these guys, they will have something like very expensive one. Which one? Which Rahul Bhai wants to buy? Maybe we'll buy the what? The Samsung Flip. Samsung Flip one, which cost around 4,000 only for Rahul Bhai. Because he is very rich now. The rich guy look very rich guy here. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, finally we got the phone, and as we were telling you that Rahul Bhai will be buying the Samsung Flip. Rahul Bhai, where are you? Just come in front. But we bought this phone, and this is not the cheapest phone. This is one of the expensive phone that Rahul Bhai have bought. And it's Rahul Bhai, please say something about this phone. And this is not the cheaper phone, guys. This is something like 4,000 riyals.
I like this one from distance connecting to the TV screen.
Yeah, and guys, this is seriously not the simple phone, not the normal phone. You can just really control from it the TV.
Is that China?
Yeah, although Chinese is the best one. We were about to buy the
Don't say.
Samsung Flip, but it's, as Rahul Bhai found it very cheaper, so we bought this one. It's 4,000, guys. Okay. So if you want to buy, just directly you can contact to Ansar Gallery, but it's not the promotion of the phone. Nothing to do with the phone. So now we are going to our accommodation that we bought the little phone. Yeah, Rahul Bhai is fully happy. His face, although we cannot show you the face because due to this pandemic, every time we need to wear the mask. So, but he's really happy and he is going home. Guys, seriously, he is going home with this phone.
With this phone, seriously?
Of course, he's flying, guys.
Seriously, he's flying to India.
Yeah, might be the plane. It may fly from lower altitude due to this phone, because this is one of the heaviest phone.
One of the worst brand. China.
Okay, so Rahul Bhai will be operating the smart TV through smartphone now. So guys, please, you can upgrade yourself as well buying this phone.
Now Rahul Bhai is
This is the specific phone, yeah.
Now Rahul Bhai
This
is
is limited edition one. That's why it costs 4,000 real. But you can buy other than normal phones and 1200 real. So until then, please guys, don't forget to share, like, subscribe our channel, Hero our team. So Sandeep Ambani is here, the one of the richest guy. So please, Ambani sir, you have something to say? He's really cool guy. Please say. Please,
Ambani sir.
Ambani sir.
Say something.
So as Sandeep Ambani and Raja Malhotra, they have done the betting on the IPL, so they are talking about their bettings. Yeah. So
Mumbai Indians.
guys, these guys are seriously the richest persons in the world.
Mumbai
Ambani, yeah, Mumbai.
RCB.
Sandeep Ambani from Mumbai Indians. He has bet 1 crore for Mumbai Indians.
Oh, 5,000 Qatari riyal.
Oh yeah, 5,000. Sorry for my mistake. He has spent almost 5,000 Qatari riyal. Although he is carrying this bag, but he is very rich, guys. Seriously, he is very rich. And one more. There is. So what's? Sorry, I forgot his name. Singh Saab.
Singh Saab the great.
Arvind Singh. He is also representing the Punjab and one of the richest person in Punjab. Although he is also carrying the bag, but then also please guys don't go about the bag. He is also one of the richest. Although he didn't bring his credit card here, but still he has a lot of cash in his pocket. And now Sandeep Ambani and Arvind Singh has done the collaboration.
Just betting the Punjab and Mumbai.
Yeah, just betting for the Punjab and Mumbai. And our chopper has came.
Our chopper is came.
The private chopper is landing, guys. It's our private chopper, so we'll be riding our personal one. So we have the professional pilot over there. So guys, seriously, he's one of the professional pilot. Okay guys, on board we cannot take the video. So until then, just enjoy my. So
Pakistan, this
he is
rich
the
man.
cousin of Imran Khan from Pakistan. He is very richest, guys. We are very richest kid here.
ठीक है.
Yeah, guys.
One, Ali sir.
Yeah, Chef Ali, one of the best chef.
Yes, sir.
Michelin star chef in city center Rotana.
अच्छा है थोड़ा बैक कर
So guys, अब तपाईँहरूलाई भनेको थिएँ म चाहिँ कर्निस जाँदैछु, तर कर्निसमा चाहिँ अनफर्चुनेटली आज गइएन। आज चाहिँ यता मलमा केटाहरूसँग घुमियो, अरू केटाहरूसँग नि भेट भयो, त्यही भएर। तर नेक्स्ट टाइम आई प्रमिस नेक्स्ट टाइम चाहिँ हामी कर्निसको भिडियो या त ब्लग गर्नेछौँ। Until then, keep loving. Please do subscribe my channel. Jai Nepal. Namaste.